For our next example, we're going to take a look at using the break statement in a loop. So we're in the Fig 06_13 folder for the break test project in this case. And as you can see here, we have a simple main method. We're using counter-controlled repetition once again, and we're apparently trying to count from 1 through 10. But as you can see in the body of the if statement here, and this is just a mechanical example to demonstrate the concept, if the count's value is equal to 5, we are going to execute a break statement, and that will terminate the loop immediately no matter what the loop is doing. So here we decided to declare the count variable before the loop so that we could then see what its value was when the loop terminated and display that value after the loop here. So initially count is 1. We're going to count as long as count is less than or equal to 10, incrementing count by 1 each time. As soon as count reaches 5, however, we break and do not execute the output statement that's displaying the counter value. Let me run the program here, and you can see that we display 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we see that we broke out of the loop when count was equal to 5. Now, of course, we don't need to use a break statement in this manner here. We simply could have counted from 1 through 4 instead of using the break statement. And in many cases where you can use a break statement, there is simply a different way that you could write the code that doesn't involve executing a break. So if you have a break statement, one of the things you may want to do is check and see if you could have written your code in a simpler manner. There are cases, however, in which using a break statement is simply the easiest and fastest way to get out of a loop.